Making and sticking to a monthly budget can be important to your financial success. Knowing how much money goes in and out of your bank account on a regular basis is super important, especially if you're just starting off with budgeting. It can help as with any habit to have support. The best budget tool for you is the only one you'll actually use, whether it's a full-featured app, a customized spreadsheet, or more manual methods. Now, I know you've been working on your financial knowledge for quite some time now, and if you're ready to be excellent at it, here are the greatest apps, accounts, and tools to help you save, invest, get tax advice, or simply use your credit card points without crying. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about 7 must-have smart financial apps. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So now the first is the Combo Till app or debit card, which teaches children to spend and save wisely. You know, you will feel like a human ATM at some point throughout your parenting years. The app Till, developed for children, allows them to earn, save, and spend money using a debit card that parents may instantaneously freeze in the app. Older children with a job can set up direct deposit, and parents can match their children's savings. If your youngster has a phone, this is a fun, easy-to-use app that will show them how much money they have to spend. Because today's children will almost certainly only ever encounter direct deposits and electronic banking. This app nails spending and saving education for youngsters. The second is the Youth Fidelity account, which assists your teen in increasing their allowance. So this is a full-fledged brokerage account that you open and administer for your 13 to 17-year-old child who can spend, save, and invest in stocks. And of course, deposit birthday money. The account includes a no-fee ATM card. And while parents can view the transactions, the kids are genuinely in charge. They can purchase fractional shares of stock, send money via Venmo or PayPal, and save money in a cash management account. The app contains a library of education films to assist users in learning about investment. We particularly like how the account can be transferred to an adult brokerage account at 18. The third app is called Allude. Perhaps you find a great deal in a trip to London, or maybe a friend tells you of a cheap eco resort in Costa Rica. But the airfares are kind of pricey. With Allude, you first establish your budget, and then the app proposes destinations within your price range. You just have to enter your total budget, choose your departure city and dates, then browse trip alternatives, including a breakdown of flights and accommodations for domestic and international experiences. This app may even introduce you to a destination you hadn't considered or heard of. You also save hours of time by not having to act as a travel agent. It actually takes away the drudgery of research and makes it feel more like a joyful discovery. If you want to just get away for a weekend without much planning or worry, it seems like this app would be excellent for that. Now I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, but I want to know if you already know and used some of these apps. Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. So, the fourth app is Piñata. Believe it or not, but this app will reward you for your on-time rent payment. So, if you pay your rent on time every month, you will earn points that you may use to shop at Piñata's partners, which include Amazon, TaskRabbit, Starbucks, and the Container Store. How does it know that you hit the mark? You set the due date on the app and link your bank account to confirm payment. In addition, You might have your payments reported to a credit card bureau in order to boost your credit score. As if that weren't enough, Piñata donates a meal to someone in need for every rent payment made. If you have difficulties remembering to pay your rent on time or a first-time tenant getting the hang of it, this is a very great idea. It's a win-win for renters and landlords. So the fifth is accrue savings, where you can save for large purchases. Throwing down a credit card for something you believe you need right away, such as a new guest room mattress before the in-laws arrive, seems like a smart idea until the bill arrives. Accrue holds you accountable when you're tempted to buy a pricey item. As you reach your goals, you will receive monetary prizes such as $120 off a mattress. Accrue rewards you for your perseverance, linking the act of saving with its purpose. What you are saving for is a tremendous motivation for folks who are in debt. Now, the sixth is digit. Did you experience a set it and forget it savings? Well, you can now try it using digit. You know those coin sorters that separate quarters, dimes, and pennies from a bag of loose change? Digit is similar to that for your paycheck. When money comes in, the software separates it into bills, savings, an investing account, and a spending account, preventing you from wasting money on things like your student loan payment at the end of the month. You can also pay bills directly from your account. Digit actually calculates your monthly payments and savings objectives. Anything from retirement to a new laptop. According to Judge Erin Sky Kelly, automating saving allows folks who historically struggle with budgeting to feel like they have everything under control while yet allowing them to freely use the spend category guilt-free. The seventh and last app is Pacaso. This app allows you to own a vacation home without the responsibility. Consider this a more sophisticated version of your grandparents' timeshare. Pacasa offers you co-ownership of second homes in dreamy locales such as Nantucket, Maui, and Aspen. So you purchase a portion of a property as part of an LLC, and Pacasa maintains it and sets rules for high season and holidays, so you never have to argue with your co-owners over who stays when. If you are not satisfied after a year, you can sell your share. Pacasa is like having a lake house with 17 of your cousins, but without having to quarrel with them. This is a game-changing concept that is already revolutionizing the vacation home market. I know saving money is a lot more than just easy, but dread no more, for these apps will help you on saving, managing, and scheduling your finances. What app would you like to try first? Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!